Hi guys, this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about cabin air filters. Today we got this 2008 Porsche Boxster and we're replacing the cabin air filter on this car. In this case, the customer thought he did not need one, even though it's a 2008, but after further inspection you can see this filter is filthy. The job of this filter is to keep the dust, pollen and mold out of the passenger compartment, or as much as possible. A dirty cabin air filter can restrict the airflow and make your HVAC system work really hard. A good interval is 24 to 30,000 kilometers. In a lot of cases they're fairly easy to change. A lot of them are behind the glove box, and in this case it's under the hood. And you can go online and do a search and see if you're able to do it yourself. So this is what a new cabin air filter looks like. If you compare the two, you can see the difference. Okay guys, this is Jawad from All About Imports. Until next time, this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Happy motoring.